show you how to remove the spare tire and the jack apparatus out of the vehicle. In this car, it is in the trunk. Underneath a board in a cover in the trunk. So Scott's going to take that cover out of there. And underneath that cover, you'll have the jack, the lug wrench, and the spare tire. First thing Scott's going to do is he's going to take the jack, remove the jack out of its holder within that trunk. That's the jack apparatus. It'll use jack on it. This is the lug wrench. And these two items go together